Former work people them for shipyard industry. They did also ask for their money for place where they call them say labor office. This sometime Tori enter for we ear talk now say they don't go for that side. So for governor, for go meet with the governor for ask where that money them. Inside Tori for this afternoon too, we go talk for them as we near them. Gendarme people then say they don't enter for roads. For talk with the other people that way they know they for inside the same workplace with them. For tell them say it is so they fight and they go see as way they go fight say make choco e no dey for inside house or gendarme. Tori for this afternoon we no go left a palava for campaign. Sabi say for the first time campaign e pass for place where they call am say boya when na open campaign. The first time wey they be meet up e be dey na for inside hall. This time they meet up na for Bongo Square. Na mean say true Nkunkuma e no go surely enter boya again as we pom e be don dey talk am. So for Tori for this afternoon we go talk palava for Piki wey don lost. Sabi say newspaper dem say the day and we woman volleyball team they don't mess again. Argentina e don just come up for knack them 3-0. Now the team that way pass for Yokohama for Japan as well they play for woman volleyball competition. Big part of for this afternoon in the tell we say waiting say if Mami Fowl a black na how. I say even if Mami Fowl a black na how e no fit ever lay black egg. I say even if Mami Fowl a black na how e no fit ever lay black egg. Jires Ayompe for K-Town. Now he say we big part of for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. We glad plenty for meet up una for outside the country people them, mommy them, papa the way una don she done for before television, even we own auntie them and uncle them, sister brother with the salute all una don't take time again for look we. Sabi say Tori it happen for this side. If you know here and for here, na mean say Tori says be never complete. Tori for this afternoon, we go so enter for these people the way they ask their money. E don bad sote na for ground say wey they she don come to people them for so for ask waiting make their money e enter for their pocket. Yes, make money e enter for their pocket. Now former work people them that for shipyard industry. Now when they call am for Queen for Emmanuel Macron country talk say chantier naval. The work people they don't finish work, money e no dey. They don't send them outside for by force pension. Now they talk say e dey like say money don't come, but e dey like say they don't use am for chapter for vote. E dey like say other people they chop money where they never even work. Some other one where they don't work money. So they put them for outside say they go pay them after. So now money for the work people they never come. And they also talk say they so they must to give them the money. Yesterday e bad so even big man for labor office e be one comot the man no dey comot for outside say that money e must to come on labor. Na e dey for inside that motor. That work people dey the whole you to no go comot the whole motor for delegates. Say that delegate no go comot for outside. But according here, e dey try for tell we say e dey so the work people they dey for governor office na their own right wey they say make they pay them that money. But certain now money na minister for territorial administration e dey sign money give am for governor. E dey sign money give am for secretary general. Sign money give am for SDO. Sign money give am for the one. They help them for do vote for inside their own place. Now people then this way they don't comot them outside since 16 moon. Now promise say e go pay them money. So now they never pay them money. They must only work she done for ground. Now some people then for them na pay them. Yes, some people pay them for family. How they go look at their family? Yeah, how they go look at their family when you no one pay them that money? How they go look at their family? see as we pay the shit down for ground for money where they don't work before you get for pay them. You want see them say make the shit down for ground first before you see say whether you go pay them or you no go pay them. Congo side as we talk, I hear say money don't come but they don't transfer am for prepare for vote. So e dey like say they go pay them na after vote e pass. So people dem too they don't stand high. They don't talk say lie to lie. Say that money must to come out. Oh boy, talk wetin we get for tell for inside the palava.
Temporary worker there for Chantier Navarre. Yeah, it be 2008. The head of station they move all temporary workers there for Chantier Navarre. If you talk to Navarre, for some small money, he give you. Then government, he give you some money too. So if you don't follow the money up to go for your, you see head of state say we they pay the money. We see head of state, we see prime minister, say they pay the money. We don't come see governor send me for Joe, go see Joe send me for the labor office. We go for labor office, so the way that they put up the list for the money. Carriage today, we wait the list, we need to see the list that come out. So no know why. The money don't come, they for labor office, but they never put up the list, we don't know why.
Just for Sabi say that people then SESEP, so talk, Governor SESEP, get for meet up with them today, except otherwise, for talk for them on top that palava for money. We know Sabi wait till they go talk for them, but our ear there for ground. Now, the people then SESEP, they get Trump talk, where they want talk from Kunkumam, for on top this palava their money. Make we hear that.
Send a message back for the head of state, say, all that never be respected for inside labor office. People there for among years, they don't old, they don't be able to work hard. People there for their woman, they don't come on married. People there that they suffer. People there never go school. And we saw to prepare for go vote for inside our own country, but yet we not get means because all of us will be blocked. We not get money for skin. People there that they suffer, their woman, they don't come on married. People they need to go school. One man and they will not be able to work for the 10 years. They don't keep them there with their money. Carry it now soon. So we beg me of state try for make we feel free like Cameroonians. They are not treat like people. They not be like Cameroonians.
Kunkuma, you don't hear your own people them, so make you look at them like na your own picking them. No look at them like say you know them where they no be your picking. The Trump talk, it don't meet up you and Asabi say you go do something quick on top that palava for money where you are picking the ask them. Sabi say gendarme then say they don't talk say that thing for choco. Say now why that way you see na gendarme gonde SESEP. Young boy for gendarme. Now them the day for road they give paper them. And even one day where they don't turn up the day they meet up people them give them paper. Big man Nana Professor said he talk for we say this palava na palava way over hold them. Now for Sika why that? Now the number be that 15 not 1. Man I didn't come back for that number sumo. They will start continue for talk. That 15 not 1. That 15 not 1 so this year. Now the number that where gendarme people they don't put and say any man where it worry you. Where you want take choco, where you dey fine, where you no get no problem with your book them or anything. Call that number one time. When you call that number, make we continue for waka, man. Nadine, thank you plenty. When we continue for waka, when you call the number one time, now the people then this, now they phone them that way they did. They just wait. Your own work na job for call. If you turn up for road, then they will you seize your book. Just call that number. People they 24 77. They go answer you. Ask and say the gendarme in name na waiting. He don't do you waiting. But you say where you call so you sure say you dey fine and ask all that question. After them say they go she don start make investigate. Now for that side they do all thing. Now for they all thing the past. So they go she don make investigate. If the gendarme man he no dey innocent, he dey guilty. One time they go give you cassingo. So just now Oga Parfait na way he says now the big man for inside the palava for Choco inside gendarme place. They don't talk say make people they make Cameroon people them they take the thing serious. For Sika say gendarme man he no one take anything play. Say he no one take anything play. So if you get any palava with on yeah, any man way one worry way, you sure say all thing there for your skin fine. That 15 not 1. Now the number that just call and direct. They go pick up. When they pick up, now so too they go make investigate. They don't want to say corruption. It there for inside that place. So this chapter for Choco. All that one they saw 15 not 1. Now the number that Njo, they know the culture credit. No nothing, no they happen. So now for now, Cameroon people, as I be so now go to say That one, they don't just put am for sake and say, no, try first. Try first. If you know if you try, no condemn way you never try. Try the number. When they investigate pass, it happen, they go talk for you. We open chapter now so for campaign. Sabi say we dey enter small for end. For Yahweh there for that side for Marwa. Adamu or Nadima. Gaga Haman, a party na Marwa side. Gaga Haman a party and CPDM. Trouble. I say Gaga Haman and CPDM. Trouble. Gaga Haman the people that they talk say CPDM. It don't take all place for inside town. Say CPDM don't take all place for inside town. For put paper them from Kunkuma, put paper them from Kunkuma. CPDM no care. E dey for your own side. E dey make campaign meet up with the people them for inside Marwa. For tell them say na white paper where they go use them for day where they want vote. But Sabi say for corner side, the problem na say Gaga Haman e own people then they vex. Say e dey so CPDM for Marwa side, Marwa too. They don't. So we no dey for them too for put their own man e face for man e go take the whole thing. CPD and SSP answer them back. E talk for them say time wey dey be study palava for campaign. Who side wanna be dey? Comot for outside put paper them. So last na for top stick they dey put their own. They put their own. They say as well CPD and don't take all thing for town. Make they put and then on top stick. People they go so see. So last na from top stick way Gaga Haman Aji he own party except they put photo for Gaga Haman for that side so for Marwa and even for on top Okada. You see no? Now they their own play trouble that they talk say CPD don't take all place where they for people put their own paper. So Okada even for on top engine for Okada they put them. So far as so people they go look at. You understand? So far as so people that they will look at now only so people and CPDM na palava for paper. Why you put paper for all corner? CPDM come na time where people that they already finished in, then they can't make noise. So now they find out for inside Marwa too for say CPDM it don't take all billboard them where they don't put Nkunkuma a face for Gaga Haman own people where e no dey for them. Cameroon National Citizen Party, the name be that CNCM. Franklin Ndifo Afangwe, Gaundere, na then that. Inside Gaundere yesterday, country peoples, Franklin Ndifo Afangwe, aka or no na aka. People they sabi popular name na Prophet Frank. Enter from Gaundere yesterday, a shaking place. Only for road, it is try for show people the Okada people they say they follow you for back. As way motor say it be there for you back in the camp. We won now. Now you see no. Now Franklin Afangwe people than that for CNCM. Yes, CN party. Now the papa that says way turn up. It try for talk with people them on top his own limousine. For talk for them say they so he don't come for town. Say make people they sabi for night. It be pass. Now Franklin Ndifo Afangwe that for a place where they call am saying Gaundere country people them. Just now we go take on go for Penja side. Yes, for Penja country people there. Waiting happen for day. For Penja waiting happen for day. Inside Penja na Cameroon Renaissance movement. I say Cameroon Renaissance movement. For Professor Maurice come to enter for Penja. And now who take and enter Penja? Na Paul Eric Kinge. Sabi say that Padiman. If you don't fair be na former mayor yourself for that side for Penja. So he enter Penja for talk for his own people the way don't sabi then say. Maurice Kamto na the only person where the fee voter. If they vote Maurice Kamto better he go follow Penja. According to way Paul Eric King talk since he sabi Penja never Consamba never change, Susan never change. Even Banga, it never change. All that one na Mongo division. If they go check for number 7 day for October moon, say thing they go change. And another woman the way they deal with ibele, they go born njo, they no go pay no nothing. So now they can't talk them that way, go talk for them. Then he talk for them too when they vote. May they go mala, come back, can't see wait it happen. So head boy for campaign for Professor Maurice Kamto, na he carry CRT enter for Penja. Now so population where even Maurice Kamto no dey there, but the population is also calm. We go tell you now after some to Ebide. Make we turn back now so for that side for Penja. King he talk for population. He talk now for pidgin. He no even talk for French. He no even talk for English. Pidgin.
From next, if you are voting for this Sunday, all women where they go born, they born gratitude for this Sunday. Yes. Yesterday, I been meet for LDPC. Oh, we don't know how we don't finish. Benjamin in the change, German in the change, Magala in the change. Barrière du change, Kosamba le change. So musiciens for Cameroun be sing. Kosamba changement. Voilà. Il a talk say if he pass, now we are beginning to be Premier Minister for the country. We are beginning to be for before. If you are picking for Mungo, for Littoral, now you do go very hard for a young beginner with his small brother and he can for the phone. Because me and not say, if the police come to for Chia, a partir he said, we do for the Mungo, we go be for. But I've been there for you on there, anything for you on there, any weekend, if you are there for you, we now will be also job that with Makara, and I will also for Sunday, now bulletin for Maurice Kamto this. Now red bulletin. Now he bulletin this, red bulletin. That day, now we are not finished for voting, we are going to chop, but we can't tell her for before we are be all the vote. Say no one man not prepare bulletin.
Yes. So, na Paul Eric Kingedat, head boy for campaign for Maurice Kamto, he be there for Penja. But how the population be there? We turn back for Penja. I just the thing that way pass for Penja way big man says Professor Maurice Kamto no be dede na Paul Eric Kinge be go for Gotana for a place like head boy for campaign. But who side Maurice Kamto be there? He be there na for Konsamba side. Plenty rain he be the fall for Konsamba. But people they come out, we go talk now with the photo. Plenty rain be the fall for Konsamba, but Maurice Kamto, he no mind, and also supporter them too, they no mind. They come out them plenty for can't hear wait way. Pa Maurice Kamto get for talk and for place where they the main gando for that side so for Konsamba. Now so two people they full up on top motor for Maurice Kamto as we enter for that side so for Konsamba. According to Tori we enter for we ESF. Now so too you don't promise make all people them they come out for outside. Number 7 day inside this month for vote. Say thing they get for change and now let them they go feel for change when they come out for go vote. Even policeman says it be the make control for under them for seekers say waiting. Plenty people they be come out as when Maurice Kamto he enter for Konsamba for under rain. No man he know she done for back. Okada people them all supporter people them they come out for outside for here waiting where Maurice Kamto again for can talk and for them for that side so for Konsamba and all thing it happen na for under rain. No man he no shake. CPDM for Boya Sesep last. They don't make open door place for shine people them. I say it dey so. We know the fear. Ekema Patrick Esunge and other CPDM big people them. Andrew Mutanga motor the way they come up for outside for carry people them bring them for inside Boya. Now so too gendarme them Sesep they be dey for look at all the motor there they carry people for outside bring am for inside the big one way pass. Peter Mafane Mosonge head boy for campaign for Sawes he don talk say make people they no fear make the so get heart for Nkunkuma say na so if you look at the palava for Norwest and Sawes so tey e finish. Na the first time this since wey e dey so confusion for Norwest Sawes e dey start. First time wey CPD and people dem say they meet up for open place so the first meeting wey e be happen na for inside hall. The one e happen na for Bongo Square but sabi say security wey e be dey na come and see all corner be dey na security. You dey see no any man wey shake dey drop me a chakatum. You understand? They be prepare they dey just wait chakatum one time. They no want to hear say something what mo see face una fit see face outside says all place black all corner black but even Elumpo Sesep wey dey for inside presidency take e eye to see the population wey comot people there for Sawes they talk say yes we go so turn up for back Nkunkuma. I talk the first one wey happen for inside Boya but after the thing e finish only 70-seater motor them even chief dem say wey they never fail on. One day wey after the finish and the one time straight mount your ten motor than that they start carry them take them back whether na for the samba na for inside they comot the motor they enter people they enter for inside then yeah then say they dey for corner they dey prepare him do anything chakatum na for say congratulate for the party man Kema Patrick na SSP dey make thing dem as so e dey happen. We go finish with palava for sport. We woman volleyball team e don mess again. Argentina be dey na last koko for inside group. We be sabi say Cameroon go catch Argentina too e finish with them so that they go remain for Yokohama for Japan. But for outside Argentina talk say if we be last koko no be na Cameroon go knack we. Argentina catch Cameroon direct current. E give am 1 set to not. Aye, e just finish with Cameroon. So as well the tongue now, the player, e don turn back for inside we country. The competition for Sika say Cameroon Sesep e dey na last koko for inside group A. With 3 points. Who they don't pass for here, even Argentina wey na Cameroon 3-0 e no go. Don't mess all the time wey the competition start. Them two na the first e move black for his skin. Now with the Cameroon 3-0 e finish. Newspaper then say they get their own side for tori wey they look am this afternoon. Waiting the guidance post e talk am. Nkunkuma e say no way. For waka for go for Boya, go make campaign, lie to lie. Also for inside the same tori con people, guidance post the tell we say CPDM, Mayor Sesep, they don't tifa. Na who tifa sabi. Na so to Baptist, Cameroon Baptist. They say the confusion for Norwest Sawes, they show them pepper. The guy this chapter for campaign for Genyu Nkunkuma. They say communication council, e don't give the guidance post. The guidance post we enter for the Sun newspaper session way a day for outside this afternoon. Inside the Sun newspaper, chapter for waiting Sawes and Norwest, United Nations, United States Congress, all them, they don't talk on top this palava. Waiting them talk, enter for the Sun you go sabi. Now so to the talk for we, vote for Genyu Nkunkuma for number 7 day. Nkunkuma Sesep, e no go Boya after everything. According to where the Sun talk, But even as when Nkunkuma no come, Sawe CPDM, they make the first ever waiting open Ndongamen for Palava talk say the day for back Nkunkuma. Nadine, I call that photo so no. Palava Ndamba, African Nation Cup, they say waiting. CAF president says he don't talk say Nkunkuma, make your heart overcut plenty. Left am so. We Scoop newspaper two way e dey for outside. Inside the Scoop newspaper, they say people they go give am for vote for Nkunkuma. Say he never ever dream say he go comot Mandamba for 2019 for Cameroon. Now talk that way CAF president he talk am just now. They don't start take training for inside Palava for entrepreneurship. Other tori the day for the Scoop newspaper where you fit for read them this afternoon. We enter for inside this. Info with 1,000 people they follow am. We finish story for this afternoon. Now it's a case them for people that they don't lose or maybe the post weekend we finish with the post weekend away day two for outside calling people them 2018 vote for get president. They tell we say people them where they dey for on top the regime. They talk say waiting say if opposition says up they no try for join like one. They no go fit for Nak Nkunkuma for on top the chapter. Now so today they tell we Konak he don't talk say waiting make Choco e no dey for inside vote wey get for happen. The time dey happen wey CPDM says up e full party people them and even other big people them. Then they hold big rally for inside town for Boya for the first time. Now so today they tell we they book them where they wait the new president. They hot book them where they wait the new president for Cameroon. All that already and so plus other one the post weekend e get am. We get case for people the way they don't lose. We go start with this speaking where they call it say Casey Megan. In name na Domfa Casey Megan where he don't lose. We show you the photo. Now the picking be that Domfa Casey Megan. He get 19 years and the talk say he don't lose now for 2 months according to Torio get am for we EM and the talk say be the she done for quarter way they call am say Bonandale 105 and the picking he the talk fine for French. They say if you see this picking call this dignity number them 670281078 699160233 678303929. They say BB dash anyway two way you don't see this picking you bring them for Equinox Story House. Another case two way day for we hand they call them na Jacob Merveille Blanche again na 16 years fine laugh wey picking the laugh as well as the see and so but picking don't lost it don't disappear. They say picking a come up for house on number 30 day inside number 9 moon. For 7 o'clock, say one go meet up a big papa. He go meet up grandpa, no turn back for New Bell. They say Natawe be the turn back for grandpa house for 9 o'clock. They no see him again. So all man in the back, Mami Ngukep Epous Jekwa Sidonie. In the back, any person where don't see this picking, Ngukep Merveille Blanche, say make it try for call the tiny number them 677-778-987, 677-754-911, 677-398-473, or 698-439-144. They say the Pekin, he had eternal fine and he talk French. Madame Njukep épouse Njokwa Sidonie annonce la disparition de sa fille, la nommée Njukep Merveille Blanche, âgée de 16 ans. Elle serait sortie de la maison dimanche 30 septembre 2018 aux environs de 7 heures pour se rendre chez son grand-père assise à New Bell. Après, elle se sépare de son grand-père à 9h en vue de regagner son domicile familial en dog passing. Elle n'y est plus revenue jusqu'à nos jours. Elle jouit de toutes ses facultés mentales et s'exprime parfaitement en langue française. Madame Juquet prie toute personne qui reconnaît ou hébergeait sa fille de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro suivant 677 778 987 677 754 911 677 398 473 ou 698 439 144 ou se rapprocher à la radio Equinox 6 à Bonakwangwa. So, not only than that, for this afternoon, country people them, Sabi say palava for campaign, it is also happen, and we too, they outside for the quarter to read the way they happen. I want to say big thank you for Eric Quarter to put the glass on my face. Thank you to Nadingwa for way the same way image for this side. Thank you, Le Dupone way the make people they hear my voice for outside. And Malis, as Sabi say after the one, now for YouTube, you go put at one time. Ambassador go turn back for tomorrow with the talk Happy Feast Day for people that way they come out. St. Francis College of Fiango Kumba.